Welcome to Phil's Open Mic. My name is Phil Ramocon, and we've been running this for the last 5 years or so in conjunction with Point Blank. We are at a pub called the Stag's Head. Our open mic is right there in the trendy part of London called Hoxton. We're off the Kingston Road. We're very close to Old Street, and it's a platform for up-and-coming artists, and it's open to absolutely everybody. So anything that you've got, come up, and covers are okay, and we even love you when you do your own originals as well. It's open to everybody. The type of people that come are people that are probably just improving, or they haven't got much experience of singing in front of an audience. And this audience is always very nice. You never get any bad vibes from anybody. Networking is great. We've got a lot of producers passing through. So if you want to make demos, a lot of singers can sing, but they haven't got any recordings. If you want to do that, there's always producers here. If you want to write songs with people, there's always possibilities to collaborate with people here. So just come in, get stuck in, and start talking to people. So when you perform, you can do it with an MP3. You can do it with a guitar or a piano. We have a live band, you can do it with us. You know, a lot of different ways for you to perform. Sign up times, 6 o'clock to 7. And we start more or less at 7:30, and we just go straight through to 11. The open mic started because I was going to a lot of the open mics, and I thought it was like a really good idea. And this opportunity out of the blue came up when a pub owner who I knew asked me if I wanted to start my own. It was in a different place, and then I got together with Point Blank, and together we've created this new one. And we've been doing this since 2016. The open mic is great to see people who are developing. People sometimes come here and they're okay, but they don't know how to work in front of an audience. And I see them come back, and after a while you see them really grabbing that, and they really start to improve. Their pitch is improving, their breathing's improving, they start telling jokes, then everything's improving. It's the kind of thing you wouldn't expect to be fantastic first time, but you keep doing it, like anything else, you get better. So even if you don't sing yourself, it's still a good idea to come along if you wanted to network. Maybe you're a songwriter that doesn't sing, maybe you're a producer that doesn't sing, or a business person. You can definitely find people, if you talk to them, that are compatible with you, that you can create projects with. And even if you're none of those things, just come anyway, because it's always a good vibe. And everyone's in the same space, that everyone's creative, and everyone loves music. And that's what we're here for. So we're here every other Wednesday. You can look us up on Phil's Open Mic UK. That's on Instagram and Facebook. And I look forward to seeing you. It's a lot of fun. And we do all kinds of music. We're not restricted to any genre. Any style is allowed. Everything's on the table. Come down, have some fun, and let's make this a party. Yeah!